Hi everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can use import function to pull data from multiple spreadsheets. Let's start with an example. Here I have three sheets. Master sheet. This sheet has a temperature record of Delhi and this sheet has a temperature record of Mumbai city. So I want the data of both the sheets into my master sheet. So I'm gonna do this with the help of import range function. So let's check out how it's gonna work. First, type equal to import range. Now import range requires three parameters. First one is the ID of the sheet. So I want the ID of both the sheets, Delhi temperature and Mumbai temperature. So let's start with this Delhi temperature sheet. So from where will you get this ID? ID is here in this URL. In this URL, you have to copy from here to here. Copy and paste it within a quotation mark. Press comma. Now you want the name of the tab from where it will pull the data. So my data is in tab My Data. So copy the name of this tab, quotation marks, paste. Now you have to put a exclamation mark here. Now you have to give the range of the data. My data is from A2 to B30. So I will type here A2 colon B30. Close this bracket, hit enter. So it brings all the data of Delhi temperature. Similarly, I can pull the data of Mumbai temperature as well. Spreadsheet ID, copy it from here, press comma. Name of the tab is same, My Data. Exclamation mark. So when you hit enter, it will ask for permission. So hit enter, allow access. And it brings me the data of Mumbai temperature as well. So now I have the temperature of Delhi and Mumbai in the single sheet. Now I want the data to be automatically updated in this sheet when you do any update in these sheets. So let's check out if I edit this sheet. Here you can see there is no updation. So what if I update here in this sheet? So when I update the data in Mumbai temperature, it gets updated in this master sheet, but it doesn't work in Delhi temperature. It is because in this formula I have given the fixed reference. Just remove the end reference from this, hit enter. Now you can see the data just I have updated in this Delhi temperature is automatically updated here. So whatever updation I will do here, it will reflect in the sheet. So this is how import range function works. If you have any confusion, you can put that in the comment below. Thank you for watching this video.